Today is the day that we pick up the R33. It's only been in the shop for, what's today, Thursday? 4 days. 4 days, but it's okay. So Zury's finishing up the exhaust right now. He said about 2 more hours. He's got to finish welding and then tap out the stud that broke so he can put bolts in it. And then we're going to be there for the startup. But right now, I don't know. What do you want for breakfast? McDonald's. I don't even know why I asked. McDonald's. Yeah, I'm excited.
I want IHOP, but...
IHOP? How about I hop on that ass?
If only you did.
Hey, wow. Burn. Anywho, look, it's a Z.
That's for sure.
I don't know, is it? Are we keeping it?
No.
I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna go, not the IHOP. Maybe. No. And then we're gonna be there for startup.
Whoop, whoop.
Whoop, whoop.
Coke and spray?
Yeah, whatever. Coke and spray? I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Girl, fill it up. And so, really? I've never tried that. Why are you? Oh boy. I think you're gonna kill me. What did you? Okay, it looked like you put Diet in there and I was about to smack you.
I'm not that bad.
Wait, stop for breakfast. Oh shit, I ripped my... Help.
I was like, you know what? Fine. You be cruddy. The whole reason I'm here is because you're cruddy. You're such a weirdo.
Oh, we're here. Shelton's here again.
That Datsun's still out.
Still, yeah, they were working on it when I was in here. Was it yesterday?
So nice
Day before?
looking. It's not my favorite, but it's still nice looking.
Help. That guy's R32 still here. Mailman, I'm cutting you off.
Oh no. Oh well, he turned it anyway. Or she.
I'm gonna pop. You turn.
Hey, look, Hill's Garage.
Hello. I'm gonna park right over here.
Hiring.
Wow, look at that R32. Look how clean that paint is. That's original paint.
I'm just keep looking at that Datsun. It's next to it.
That's fine. Help. Alright. Silly. Oh yeah, look at that. Dude, that wing sticks up so high.
What sticks up?
His wing. Look at this 2G.
Yeah.
What is that? Hey, look, it's my lip, except mine's way lower. Yeah, that's 300. That's what I said. Like, they were one of my favorites, man. Said, let's get it. Well, how much? That thing's been sitting there for a long time. Where is it? Woo. You didn't see it with the hood pop, did you? Look at it. Fully built by Mines.
looks nice.
Yeah, that's the RB26. That's the GTR engine. Look at it.
That's the same as we have, right? The RB25?
That's the 26.
I got 5 of the 6 numbers. I don't know what the fuck that is.
Take the slop out of the bushing, you know.
They put it on the
Looks good, man.
fills up that space pretty well.
Right, yeah, because it looked like he like cut it out a little extra.
Yeah. Because those other Q-tips, you can see like everything behind.
Right.
Not bad.
my air to fuel ratio is fucking on point now. I do have the turbo gasket needs replaced. There's a leak on the turbo. Oh my god, the backfires are insane now. Holy shit. So it definitely runs better. Our air to fuel ratio gauge is not going crazy. It used to be 19s and 20s. We fixed all the leaks. There is a where the turbo meets the manifold, there's a little leak. So when we get the clutch replaced, we're gonna get that fixed up. It runs way better. It backfires like crazy now. So that's a thing. Ooh, it sounds so clean now. Woof. It's not that loud for being straight piped. It sounds good though. So it's not like a huge leak. We'll get it fixed and go from there, man. I'm gonna just sit this down until we go.